Yeah, hi. We are from svsembedded. The project title name is OTP based electronic protection system for exam paper leakage using RFID, EM18 RFID module and GSM SMS alert. So exam paper leakage using RFID and GSM module. So 0 to 9 volts adapter power source, and we convert to 5 volts pure DC output, and it gives to Raspberry Pi Pico RP2040 controller board and GSM SIM 900A for SMS alert purpose. So we are loading predefined mobile number, particular mobile number. It will send the SMS to the outside mobile. EM18 RFID module connected to the RX2, serial communication 2 and serial communication 1, and alarm connected to the 20th pin, red LED and green LED connected to the 17, 18 GPIO pin numbers. 16 cross 2 LCD display, character LCD display. The pin numbers are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. RS enabled D4, D5, D6, D7. 4 cross 3 telephone keypad, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Once again, whenever we receive the OTP, so we need to enter the OTP. If OTP is correct, the LCD will be displayed and servo motor will be open. SG90 servo motor, door open close type. And this is our total block diagram of the project. Let us coming into the hardware part. So here we are using 0 to 9 volts adapter power source we are using. Okay. So here GSM SIM 900A module, press down, the SIM card will come outside. You can use Idea, Airtel, Vodafone, BSNL, 2G, 3G, 4G SIM card, SMS balance, main balance. Okay, slowly insert the SIM card. Okay, insert the SIM card and lock the SIM card. Slowly insert it, lock. Press down, unlock. Press to unlock. This is unlock the SIM card. And slowly insert the SIM card and lock it. GSM SIM 900 module, 0 to 5 volts power supply, 9 volts adapter, 0 to 9 volts adapter, 1 ampere, bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, 1 LED, 5 volts power supply module. And here is alarm, Raspberry Pi Pico RP2040 controller board. So here is the reset button, 16 cross 2 LCD display, character LCD display. Whatever the process is going on, that should be displayed on the LCD, nothing but monitor. And here SG90 servo motor and green LED, red LED indicators whether door open, close or access or on wrong card, like that. So telephone keypad 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 star 0 hash, and EM18 RFID module to read the RFID tag. Okay, it starts with the power supply. So here the OTP, like exam paper wrong or paper opened successfully, we will get the SMS alert. This is outside mobile. Here you can use any SIM card, but outside SIM card phone number is stored in the Raspberry Pi Pico board. Now, electronic protection system for exam paper leakage, RFID and GSM technology. Here green LED on. Okay, green LED on. Now I'm using wrong card. Okay, wrong RFID card. So alarm, 1 second, alarm on and alarm off. Once again, if the RFID card wrong, alarm on. Now we are going for the authorized RFID card. Okay, RFID sending, OTP sent to register mobile number. Okay, now it is sending the OTP to register mobile number. OTP is 9846. So okay, now I am entering 9846. We will check for the, now box is opening. Okay, box password is correct. Now it will go back to the main position. Yeah, it is go back to the main position and we will receive the SMS alert. So we have a total 4 papers. 4 times you can access the RFID card. Okay, please your, now we are getting the SMS alert, exam paper access successfully. Okay, now I will go for the RFID card. Okay, RFID card access. Okay, sending SMS to your registered mobile number, OTP sent to your registered mobile number. Now it will send the SMS to GSM module, power supply board, alarm. Okay, now OTP is 7538. So I will enter wrong password, 1, 2, 3, 4. Wrong password, alarm on, alert somebody doing wrong password. Okay, So we will press 3 times, we will enter 3 times. Okay, now we will get the SMS alert. Again I will enter 4567, wrong password, exam paper attempt, somebody doing wrong password. Now again sending it is. Okay, so now I am going to attempt third time. Total system will be block 4521. So 3 times continuous wrong password. Alert box is some theft alert. Okay, red LED on. Somebody doing wrong password. Total system is blocked up to 24 hours. So attempt paper, exam alert paper sent message. Okay, card is blocked. So if you access the card, it won't accept. Card blocked for 24 hours. If you are going to do access it, then it will tell card access for 24 hours. Okay, so your card is blocked totally. So now power off, or you can go power off totally, and power on. All the registers are deleted. Then it will start main function. GSM module, EM 5 volt power supply module, alarm, EM18 RFID cards, 4x3 keypad, red LED, green LED indicators, servo motor, 16x2 LCD display. Wrong card, alarm on. Now it will start from the main. Now access successfully. EM18 OTP sent to your register mobile number. OTP sent success. 9846. Password is correct. Door is opening. Okay, paper open successfully and it come back to main position. Now it is sending, we will receive one SMS alert here. Paper successfully opened. Okay, now I am going for the RFID card. RFID card access okay. OTP sent to your register mobile number 7538. Password correct. Box opening successfully. Now it is come back to main position successfully. Okay, 2 papers are open. Again 2 papers are pending. Okay, RFID card access, OTP sent to your register mobile number 1267. Password correct. Okay, servo motor open success. Password correct. Exam paper box accessing successfully. Come back to main position. Sending SMS alert. 3 papers are open. 4th paper pending. Okay, now I am going for the sending SMS alert. So it will come the SMS alert here. Exam paper accessing successfully. Now this is the last paper. So after 4 papers completed, your card will be blocked. Okay, OTP sent to your register mobile. Four five eight two. Password correct. Door opening access successfully. Exam paper successfully accessing successfully. Sending SMS alert. Come back to main position. Sending SMS alert. Sending SMS alert. Okay, now we will receive SMS alert. Now this, if all papers are open. Okay, so your card will be blocked for 24 hours. All exam papers open. 5th time, 4th completed now, 5th time. So if you add it, it will tell you that all exam papers are opened. So your card blocked for the 24 hours. So now if you are going for wrong card, it will tell the wrong card. Thank you. So we can add a camera also in this project. Thank you.